everyone. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Are you? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, thank you. Are you ready for the class?
Yes.
Okay, I am doing my best to give you a fun class today.
Thanks.
Are you doing the same thing?
Yes.
Okay, Majo, Marifer, Karen, they are sitting down on a chair getting ready for the class. Who else is sitting down?
Us.
Everybody is. No, you're not sitting down? Aren't you sitting down? Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing today? Paying attention. You say, I am paying attention. Okay, now, from all these questions, what do you notice in my question? What do you notice? Have you noticed something in the way I'm asking? I am asking. Very good.
The ing.
The ing form. Okay. Do you have your charts with you, the conjugation chart?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to take a look at it, please?
Yes.
Yes. Try to find where it talks about the ing form.
Here.
Do you find it?
Yes.
Okay, that is what we're going to see today. Now, on top of your list, what does it say there?
In past continuous or present form.
Present continuous. Present continuous is what we're going to see today. Okay? So, here it is. The title of the class today is Present Continuous Tense. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to watch a video, and I want you to pay attention to the way they are talking. Okay? The way they are mentioning the sentences. And after that, we're going to make some conclusions and definitions together. Okay? So let's listen and watch the video, and you'll let me know what you understood. Ready?
Listening, speaking, writing, reading, side by side.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
What are you doing?
We're cooking.
It's a beautiful day today, Jackie.
Yes, it is, Bob. It's a beautiful day. Before we go to the weather forecast, side-by-side TV news reporter Gary Carter is live in Central Park. Gary, are you there?
Yes, Jackie, I'm here in the park and the sun is shining and the birds are singing. It's a beautiful day. With me in the park today is the Jones family. How do you like this beautiful weather, Mr. Jones?
It's beautiful, Gary. It's a beautiful day.
What are you doing here in the park today?
I'm reading the newspaper.
And how about you, Mrs. Jones? What are you doing today?
I'm listening to the radio.
Okay. What do you see in the video? Flor.
The present continuous.
The present continuous. How do you know that they were using a lot of present continuous? What kind of sentences did you hear in the video?
What you're
Andrea.
doing.
What you're doing. What are you doing? Okay? Can you? Yes, the WH questions too. What else? What other? Tell me some of the verbs that you heard there that you know already.
Studying.
Studying. Yes. There is one, Majo, that they were using all the time.
Eating lunch.
Eating lunch. Yes, she was like, oh, they always say eating lunch, eating lunch. Okay, what other? So, what I want you to tell me is the difference between I study English and I am studying English. What difference do you notice? Valeria.
That one is in past and the other one is now.
Now in the moment. But I say I study English. Study. So what tense is that?
That one has
the present. The present, the simple present is I study English. And I'm studying English is something that I'm doing when?
Now.
Okay, so the present continuous is an action that is happening
Now.
now, okay? And the other one is Jen?
Yes.
So, these are the things that we need to make a present continuous sentence. What do we need first?
He, pronouns.
Pronouns. The pronouns he, she, it,
I, you, we, they.
Okay, you know that these take the place of a name, okay? Like instead of Pedro, we say he. Instead of it. And then we have another verb. From your list of verbs, we have the verb in ing form. That's all we need. So how many verbs do we need? Two. Example. Who can give me an example? Majo, come and write one example. Whatever you come up with. Choose one and write it right things. Make a simple and small one, okay? We don't need a big one. They are paying. Yes. Wow. Very, very good, Marco. Yes, they are paying attention to the class. They are paying attention to the class, or you are paying attention to the class. Okay? Just a question. Valeria. Yes, come. Transform. Okay, this one in a question. What would you do? No, right below, because here is going to be the WH question. Yes. Okay, what does it say there?
Is she doing homework?
Very good. Now, what did she, if I underline at home, we can make some W questions out of these sentences. The underlined word means that's what I want to ask about. So, if I'm underlining homework, what would be the WH question for this sentence? She is doing homework. Who can help me with that? Okay, let's see. Ana Sophie. Say it loud. Yes, in English.
What she's doing?
What? Okay, start writing. What? What? And then you have to do the same thing as the common question. So what would you do? What? What is she doing? So we're going to change and we're going to do a teamwork. Teamwork of 3 that you're going to go and find your partners, okay? Your teammates. Okay, I want you to go find your 3 o'clock appointment. Okay? Go and find your 3 o'clock appointment. Instructions for the next activity. Are you ready to listen? Are you listening?
Yes.
Yes, I am listening. Okay, very good. Okay, I have 3 definitions that we already saw when we were checking our chart. Okay? So, one of the teams are going to organize the words. They are mixed, okay? They are messed up, and you have to organize them and make the right sentence. So, you are going to be making sentences, okay, that have to be with that definition. The first definition, which is about that you need 2 verbs. So they're going to be simple sentences. Simple sentences in the ing form. Do you understand?
Yes.
No? Process your information, and you can use your chart, this chart, and your verbs list. Okay? Another team with WH questions. Who want to do another? Okay, WH questions. We are going to take about 10 minutes to work the whole thing. Okay, definitions and sentences. Start working now. Guitar, with just one T. Guitar. Girls, I need to give you another instruction. Please write your sentences in your notebook. Are you listening?
Yes.
What are you going to do?
Writing the sentence in the notebook.
In your notebook. Yes, please write the sentences in your notebooks. Okay? Very good. Are you checking your chart? And all the information? Okay. We need to swap the verb is or am. What else?
In front.
In front. Okay, let's just check. Okay. Did you work with your team? Were they all working? Okay, very good. Okay, let's read the sentences that they made. Can you see the sentences? Is it playing in the park? And they have a question mark. Is it correct? Yes. Is she eating chocolate with a question mark too? Are they correct?
Yes.
Okay, where is the okay? Very good. Now, let's just review. Let's read this very loud. To make a question with the present continuous, we need to swap the verb is or am in front or before the noun or pronoun. Is he playing in the park? Is she eating chocolate? Excellent. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for the third definition. To make sure you understood the whole class and to make sure you got the concept of the present continuous, I'm going to give a quick quiz about the the present continuous form, and you have to solve it in very few minutes, about 5 minutes. Remember? Now, we finished the quiz. Now, I want you to share with your team, with your partners, your answers very fast, and just to make sure you understood and you have the same answers. Okay? Just talk to your friends, to your classmates, and check the answers very fast. Okay? Okay, very good. Very good. To finish the class, girls, pay attention, everybody. To finish the class, I just want to ask two of you, why do you think it's important to learn about the present continuous tense? Majo.
To be good at English.
To be good at English, to improve the way we speak. Very good. Ale.
To say good questions.
To learn how to make the questions? Yes, with the ing. Okay, the ing form. What does it talk about? Something that happened? That is happening? Or that will happen?
That is happening.
That is happening? Now. Very good, Diana. Very good. Okay, we finished the class. Thank you so much for your attention. You can go now. Okay?